Good morning to all my dear kids. Today I will be taking EVS and I will teach you my body. We all know that our body has different parts. So let's learn about all the body parts. Head, eyes. We have two eyes. We can see with the help of our eyes. We have two ears. We can hear any sound with the help of our ears. Nose. We have one nose and we can smell anything with the help of our nose. Mouth. We can taste and eat anything with the help of our mouth. Lips, neck, chest, stomach, arms. We have two arms. Hand. We have two hands and the hands help us to do many things like writing, painting and drawing, eating. Fingers, elbow, bottom, legs. We have two legs. Our legs help us to walk, run and jump. Knees, toes. Now we will learn about how we have to take care of our body. We should take a bath daily in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Yes, we should brush our teeth twice a day. One in the morning and again at night before going to bed. Trim your nails on regular basis and keep them clean. We should cut our nails once in a week. Wash your hands before and after eating the food. It will keep us away from the harmful germs and many diseases. We should go early to bed at night and get up early in the morning. Wash your hair often and comb them. Now we will do a quick recapitulation and you all will be knowing about the functions of the body. I will ask you some question and you have to answer the question. So let's start. I smell with my... Yes kids, you all know the answer. I smell with my... Next, I eat with my... Yes, I know that you all know the answer. Next, I hold the things with my... I walk with my... I dance with my... I see with my... I definitely know you know the answer. I hear with my... Let's discuss all the answer. I smell with my nose. I eat with my mouth. I hold the things with my hands. I walk with my legs. I dance with my foot. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I hope now you all have got all the information about the parts of the body and their functions. I will be sharing a worksheet in the group, you have to complete the worksheet in your notebook. And next class, I will take the new topic. Thank you.